Right folks, so this is my detachable steering wheel. These pieces come together as one. You put one piece on the back of the steering wheel and you put the other piece on the hub boss, and it allows you to disconnect the steering wheel whenever you want, which is great, right? Now I got this off eBay for 11 quid. For 11 quid I'll give it a go. But I'm going to show you why I'm going to take it off in a second. So this is with it on, and there's a little nib there, and what you do, you push it in and you turn it to the right till it clicks, and then it's in. Now I took this out for a test drive, and guess what I found? The whole thing wobbles on that joint there. It's not the steering wheel, it's the boss adapter. It's got too much give in it, and I've tightened this down tight, and it still wobbles about. So don't buy cheap eBay boss kits. I'm gonna have to now find one, a good quality one, because that's just unacceptable. You got about 2mm rattle in that, which is no good when you're driving, and that's with everything torqued down as it should. So I'm going to remove this.